We've had our first hard frost here in Spokane, so I'm getting ready to remove all of my tomatoes. Tomatoes are something that I take a lot of care in removing because they do have a tendency to harbor a lot of pathogens that will carry forward into the coming year. So when I'm getting ready to harvest my tomatoes for the final harvest, I lay out a big tarp, and then I cut the tomato plant at the base and I pull the entire plant out and set it on the tarp. This enables me to sort through the fruit on the tarp, keep it nice and clean, and then I'm able to kind of go through it in a nice tidy space. Now, when I'm going through my tomato plants, I'll pick up the entire plant to find the base of the plant before I cut it. And then I'm also looking for ripe fruits. So you can see in this guy here, I have some beautiful ripe fruits just hiding in the base of the tomato here. So when I cut that, I'll be extremely careful not to push on these guys because they'll be pretty soft. After I've cleared all my tomato plants out, I also want to make sure that I take out any of the leftover foliage that's on the ground and any fallen fruit. When I'm done doing that, I'll remove any of the roots that are left in the ground. There's pathogens in tomatoes that can persist in the soil until the coming year, and you don't want to have those in your soil. A great rule of thumb that you should always pay attention to is to never plant something in the same space that you had it in the year before. Take notes on how much fruit you have. Did it fruit well over the season? Did it not? Did it look kind of punky? Did you like the fruit? Make sure that you take notes on all of that stuff so the following year you have a bountiful garden full of fruits that you absolutely love.